Imagine this. The average American throws away over 4.5 pounds of trash every single day. Now, multiply that by millions of people in every city. Where does it all go? Landfills? Oceans? The air we breathe? Cities as we know them are designed to waste. Resources flow in, get used, and then tossed out. But here's the thing. It doesn't have to be this way. What if your old furniture, food scraps, or even that broken toaster could have a new life? Welcome to the world of the circular economy, a concept so powerful it could transform not just our cities, but our entire relationship with the planet. Let's dive into how this works, why it matters, and how you can be part of this exciting new wave. But first, let me ask, have you ever wondered why trash always disappears overnight? Who's cleaning up after us? And at what cost? Stick around. The answer may surprise you. For decades, cities have operated on a linear economy, a system of take, make, and waste. We extract resources like trees, oil, and metals, use them to build products, and then toss them aside when we're done. Efficient, right? Well, not exactly. This system is rapidly depleting the Earth's resources and filling our environments with waste. Consider this. Over 80% of what we produce globally ends up as trash within a year of being made. Now here's where it gets serious. This waste isn't just sitting quietly in a landfill. It's emitting methane, clogging our oceans, and even finding its way back into our food systems. But hey, enough doom and gloom. Let's shift gears, because the circular economy is here to flip the script. The circular economy isn't just recycling with a fancy name. It's a radical rethink of how we use resources. Instead of take, make, waste, think, reduce, reuse, regenerate. Picture this. A city where food waste is turned into compost to grow new crops, where old furniture is upcycled instead of trashed, and where even your clothes are designed to be recycled at the end of their life. I mean, wouldn't it be great if we could just return that 2010 sweater that's still in the back of your closet? Big cities like San Francisco and Amsterdam are already making this a reality. They're transforming waste into resources and designing products meant to last, or even regenerate. This isn't just sustainable, it's smart. So, what does a circular city look like in practice? Let's break it down. 1. Circular housing. Imagine buildings made from modular, reusable parts. When a building is demolished, its materials are used to construct something new, reducing waste and cutting costs. 2. Urban farming. Food scraps from restaurants feed compost for rooftop farms, growing fresh produce for the same community. No long-haul shipping, no food waste. 3. Resource hubs. Some cities are setting up repair cafes where you can fix electronics or exchange used goods. Think of it as a Goodwill store, on steroids. And the most exciting part? This isn't just an experiment anymore. Cities like Toronto, Barcelona, and even smaller communities across the United States are adopting these innovations. But let's be honest, what's the point if it doesn't save us money or make life better? Spoiler alert, it does both. Now let's talk about how you fit into this inspiring new system. Here's the truth. The circular economy starts with individuals, like you and me. It's about making smarter choices every day. Opt for repair over replacement. That cracked phone screen? Fix it instead of tossing the whole device. Embrace sharing economies. Ride sharing, tool libraries, even clothing swaps. Reduce your food waste. Did you know the average household wastes $1,500 worth of food annually? Time to rethink those leftovers. Let's face it, how many of us have bought something online, used it once, and let it gather dust? Guilty? Same. But now imagine if that product could be reimagined, reused, or reshared. The point is, you don't have to live off-grid to live sustainably. Every small action adds up, and together we can nudge our cities toward a circular future. Here's where it all comes together. By adopting circular practices, we're not just saving resources, we're building a better urban future, cleaner air, less waste, and thriving local economies. Think about this. If every city worldwide embraced circular principles, we could slash global greenhouse gas emissions by nearly 45%. That's the kind of impact we're talking about. This isn't just a trend, it's an adventure, a bold new way of living in harmony with our planet. And it's happening faster than you think. Imagine a world where waste isn't waste. It's a resource. A future where cities become ecosystems, regenerating instead of consuming. That future, it's within reach. So what's next? Start small. Shop secondhand, compost your scraps, or repair instead of replace. And if this inspired you, I've got another video that dives deeper into how circular living can transform our daily lives. Click here to learn more about creating a sustainable lifestyle that's as good for your wallet as it is for the planet. Because this isn't just about fixing the system, it's about creating a whole new way of living. Let's build the future, one circular step at a time.